This is a Spiderman motorbike kiddie ride by Ital, Resina.
Number 6. It's a mystery whip. Look out! Here comes the
This one has a Staymar board for some reason. Made by Ital Resina in an unknown year, under no license from Marvel. Now these handles would like usually be used to rev the engine, but for some reason they made it to like twist this instead.
Number 2 is your winner.
It plays the Spider-Man theme by Michael Bublé. And that was the Spider-Man motorbike kiddie ride by Ital Resina, sighted at Stardust Amusement in Barry. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there was also one of these in Walton Pier in Walton on the Naze as well. So that was a really rare find. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video.